In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable lazy loading for images in WordPress, a simple yet effective way to improve your site's performance. If you've ever felt like your website is taking a bit too long to load and you're wondering why, you're not alone. A common culprit can be images, as they often consume a significant amount of bandwidth and slow down page load times. This can be frustrating for visitors and potentially detrimental to your website's overall user experience. Fortunately, by enabling lazy loading, images will load only when they appear in the user's viewport, thus reducing load times and conserving bandwidth. Our journey begins in the WordPress dashboard. First, navigate to the Plugins section, then click on Add New. This step takes us to the plugin repository, where you can find a multitude of plugins, each designed to enhance your website in different ways. The next task is to locate a plugin called Lazy Load. You can do this by simply typing Lazy Load plugin into the search bar. As you search, you'll see a list of results. Be sure to identify the plugin developed by a trusted developer or has high ratings and a significant number of active installations. This is crucial as it ensures the plugin's reliability and support from the WordPress community. Once you've identified the Lazy Load plugin that suits your needs, direct your attention to the Install Now button. By clicking it, WordPress will begin downloading the plugin files to your server. This process should only take a moment. Once the installation is complete, you'll want to go ahead and click Activate. This activation step is essential, as it enables the plugin's functionality and makes lazy loading operational on your website. After the plugin is activated, it's time to configure it to meet your specific needs. Head over to the Settings area of your WordPress dashboard, then find and select Lazy Load. This section is where you can fine-tune the plugin's behavior. Here, you may need to enable options for various types of images or media elements that you'd like to lazy load. For instance, you can choose to lazy load images in posts, pages, widgets, or even gravatars. Take a few moments to browse through the settings and enable the appropriate options for your site. These settings can generally be modified anytime, so you can always return later if you find your initial setup needs tweaking. And there you have it, a straightforward method to speed up your site by lazy loading images. With these changes, your WordPress site should become noticeably more responsive and user-friendly, catering to an ever-growing audience who demand fast, efficient web experiences. Don't forget to check your website's performance through online tools to ensure the changes have had the desired effect. Thank you for watching, and I hope this makes your site faster and your visitors happier.